Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, although I did take a break, and in my, the last video I did, it was a situation of, all right, there's really not much to be said until something can happen in regard to the overarching sideways channel pattern, but that something did indeed happen today. Unfortunately, from the bulls perspective, it was a very bearish event. The price drifted down to that level and now has, very firmly broken to the downside of the sideways channel. So ultimately, with that sideways movement, the bears have won out, and that's also why I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Yeah, that level pertains, but it's just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But the first level now that will need to be paid attention to is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 16 cents was that important level of support going into today, but now that the price is down below it, this would be considered an area of resistance. So 16 cents, initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through there, the next key level you would want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. You can see this level has already presented some problems previously. But, I also don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, first off, the price just needs to simply get up above 16 cents. And then at that point, it makes more, sense to, put more focus on that 50-period moving average. So keep an eye on that. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, next key overarching level is down here where, hasn't been in since early July. And that sits down there at the 15-cent mark. So 15 cents, next key level of support to watch moving forward. But yeah, unfortunately, like I said, the bears went out. There is a technical pattern breakdown right now. But who knows? Maybe the price will quickly, recover and snap itself back upwards. But we'll have to see how the week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.